Hello folks, how y'all doing today? I eat oats. Horses eat oats. Alright, you know what they call a male horse? A stud. So eat up folks. Nothing better than some good old oats. It's a good drink. It's cranberries. It's 100% juice because it says so. Get my favorite red wine and take my favorite cranberry juice and mix it together. Good stuff right there, Maynard. Don't leave home without it, okay? Once again, horses eat these. They're called, a male horse is called a stud. It makes the females frisky, so eat up, okay? Eat up, men. Getting hot in here, though. Some good old milk. By the way, don't eat after me in my house because I drink out of the pitcher. Wood. Well, anyways, now raw taters are probably the best thing you ever put in your mouth. They're a natural food, and they're less than 1 minute. So you don't want to split wood, which is fine. Like I say, once again, you can jump rope. All right, jump rope. Well, you jump rope, eat taters. Do push-ups, you can do jumping jacks. Bottom line is, when you do exercise, or whatever you do, make sure you take oats with you. 134 years can't be wrong. If you don't like oats, you can get a banana or a tomato. And tomatoes are always fun to eat because you never know what you're going to get a hold of. Some of them are good, but they're pretty good, but some of them taste like crap. And you can do that all with 1 minute food, okay? My favorite brand.